In today's video, I'll be showing you how to show and how to hide the music information on the always on display of the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first, open the Settings app, and in Settings, scroll and select Lock Screen. From here, tap on Always on Display. Then you should see the option Show Music Information. So as you can see, mine is enabled, which means that whenever the Always on Display appears, I see what song is playing. If you wish to turn it off, then just disable this feature by tapping on the toggle. And now, the Always on Display will no longer display what song I'm listening to. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.